Hello and welcome to another episode of YouTube Made Me Do It, the show where I cover all of the recent purchases that I've made because I saw it on social media and became #obsessed. Did I need this item? No. Did I pay too much for it? Some of you might think so. Am I still excited to unbox it? Heck to the yeah. Will I love it? God, I hope so. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticatedme.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. I need to be honest. I filmed this whole thing without realizing that I had my lens on manual focus. So this is the second time that I'm doing this. So for that reason, I'm not gonna show you me taking this out of the box itself. That box, I already tossed it out. I don't even want to think about that box anymore. So I'm just going to show you the item in its dust bag, the way that it arrived. I will say that the seller packaged the item very well. It was covered in bubble wrap, really large box, really well packaged. So I appreciate that. But before I show you the bag itself, as always, I'm going to give you a little bit of a backstory, but I'll make it quick. I've seen this bag on social media. I've seen it on Instagram, but I saw it on YouTube. And the main culprit, the main person that I'm going to blame for this purchase is Mel in Melbourne. I am joking, I'm kidding. But I saw Mel unbox this item a couple of weeks ago and it floored me. I just thought it looked so cool, so good. And I've started, I did that deep dive into social media and on the internet looking at photos of it, and then the more I saw it, the more I went from, ooh, that's interesting, to man, that's cool, to I want that bag. So, but yeah, Mel, I will link to her video below so you can see her unboxing of it. So I'm going to show you the bag, and here it is. It came in this dust bag, which is very light and very thin, but it didn't come with a dust bag, so I appreciate them sending this along. And here is the bag. Here, this is the bag. This is the bag. You don't see it? It's right here. Joking, obviously. So yes, this is the bag that I bought on eBay. This is an Hermès Vinyl Kelly. If you guys are watching my channel, it's probably because you are big fans of fashion and love fashion, and you probably already know that the transparent bag is very much on trend, very in right now. Anything that's vinyl, transparent, PVC, clear bags of any kind are very, very much in. Some luxury houses are already producing their own transparent bags for not in my budget. But this item, however, when Mel talked about it, she linked to the eBay store that she purchased it from. So I clicked on that link in the description box, and I just couldn't say no. I could not say no. So a little history about this bag. In 1995, there was a Paris attack, and because of that, security was heightened. So for spring and summer 96, for their spring summer 96 show, they sent out the invitation in a similar bag to this. It was a smaller version of this bag. It was a clear Kelly, and it was basically so that the guests who would arrive to see the show would have an easier time getting through security, because the bag is transparent. Security could easily see what was inside and let people through. It became such a little popular item that in 97 they released this bag, and then in 98 they released the orange version. You can still find these online, and I will link to the seller and to the individual listings that I can see are available in my description box below. So if you are interested in owning this or just taking a closer look, you can click on those links. This was it was listed as AB condition, and I would have to agree it's in really great condition. Guys, this bag is from 1997. That means this bag is a whole drinking adult old. It's over 20 years old, so it's in great condition. The corners are great. There is a little bit of scuffing here and there, but nothing too noticeable. So yeah, it's a really neat condition. Really, it's a neat bag in great condition. It still has its structure to it. The hardware here still in really good condition. There is some scuffs obviously and a little bit of tarnishing, but not bad at all. So now I'm gonna try and put some items in here so you can take a look and see what it looks like when it has a few pieces inside. So across the front of the bag it says, "En voyage au pays des merveilles." That translates to a trip to Wonderland. Across the flap it says, "Souvenir de l'exposition 1997." Sorry, but it's way too hard for me to say 1997 in French. That translates to a souvenir or memento of the 1997 exhibition. So again, here is the bag. I really love the condition that it's in, and I'm especially happy that it still has its structure so it can still stand upright on its own. Now I'm going to start filling it up with a few pieces that I normally carry. The first piece is this really adorable wallet from Alice and Olivia. These three pieces right here are my go-to SLGs. I have the round coin pouch to carry my coins, the multicolor card holder for my business cards, and the key clay holds my insurance cards, my Metro card, and any gift cards that I can use while I'm out. Here is my small agenda that I carry around to make sure that I don't forget any important events or meetings that I need to hold. Of course, I have my 4-ring key holder. I sometimes carry around this mini pochette to hold some of my makeup that I need while I go out. This usually holds a lipstick, a lip balm, a pressed powder, and any other little things to touch up while I'm out during the day. And because we're in spring and it's starting to get sunny and warm out, I'm carrying my Gucci sunglasses in my Louis Vuitton medium sunglasses pouch. I usually have a book in my bag to read while I'm on the subway or whenever I get a chance. I'm a big reader, guys, so here I'm putting in Girl Boss. I was never a big bag charm kind of gal, but this puff is actually an external charger, and now that I own it, I cannot leave the house without it. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of space to switch things in and out, to carry something bigger, to carry less, to carry more. The possibilities are endless. I'm very happy to see that this bag can hold quite a bit. So there you go, this is my Hermès Vinyl Kelly. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing kind of reveal video. I'm sorry that I couldn't capture it the first time around. I promise it was way better than this. You guys should have seen it. But if you do want to see more videos from this channel, please subscribe, click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. Please like and share if you enjoyed it, and comment down below. It really helps me out, and you know that I always love to hear from you guys. So if you have any comments, questions, requests, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. To watch my last video, click right here or down below to see something else that you might be interested in. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned. Thank you.